I'm Nikita Basis, a counseling psychologist. So I have been working with teens and adults, like managing their stress and their life challenges also.
Okay. So the first thing which I want to ask you, ma'am, do you think when we teach music to kids, it helps in their brain development?
Yes, because absolutely music boosts cognitive skills like attention hai, problem solving hai, even their math abilities. Yeah, learning rhythm and melody trains their brain like a mental gym. So yes, learning music benefits and even adults also.
Okay. So when we introduce music to the kids in young age, is that beneficial or the kids can learn later on music? What do you think, ma'am, about on this?
In my point of view, in early education of music is beneficial, more beneficial basically, because at the age of early age, like 4 to 16 or maybe 7 to 16, or mainly in childhood to teenage वाला जो part है, basically their brain is like a soft plate.
Okay.
तो जैसा आप चाहो वैसा आप उसे मोल्ड कर सकते हो. तो म्यूजिक शेप्स इट ब्यूटीफुली. So kids who learns music in early education shows better focus, memory, and emotional awareness and emotional control, better emotional control than others. So I guess in early young age, in childhood from 2 to 7 wali age or 2 to teenage, we can start music competition.
So, may I know when you were in your student life, when you were in your teenage, have you like were involved in music? In any way, like vocals, instrument, or any other way, ma'am?
Sir, actually, at my home, my grandfather, my father, and my mama is always in their music. Right? So they are singing and my grandfather play drum and all. So just थोड़ा थोड़ा उनके साथ में. But हाँ, basically and professionally सीखा. But yes, I like humming and I like singing songs. So but it really helps me a lot. After a long counseling sessions, I often use humming my favorite songs or tunes, and it aways all my stress. Okay. So, ma'am, whenever like you work, whether it's your workplace or you are taking sessions via online mode, so when people share with you that they are in stress, so what do you suggest? Like, do you also suggest to involve themselves with music? Yes, sir. Firstly, but I want to know if they are into music or not, if they are like or not. But yes, मतलब those people जो liked it a lot, तो I suggest them कि एक बार तो एटलीस्ट आप अपना एक फेवरेट सॉन्ग सुन लें या खुद गुनगुना लें. डजंट मैटर कोई नहीं सुन रहा है ना. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट इन द थिंग बट यू हैव टू लिसन समथिंग like a good music, a calming music at least. So it calms you and your stress hormones will relieve and your mood will uplift also. Okay. So, ma'am, as you are a psychologist, what do you think that music and psychology are both related, or what type of connection music and psychology has? Okay, so as a psychologist and in my point of view, I really think music is a part of psychology because it calms our nervous system. Okay. It calms our nervous system very beautifully, and rhyming and singing or practicing playing anything instrument, it works as a meditative effect. Okay. So it calms our stress hormones and uplifts our mood very effectively. So I think psychology and music are very closely related to each other. Okay, ma'am. So, whenever you are stressed, what type of music generally you listen? Mainly calming and happy music. Okay. Mainly I suggest कि हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा सा soft music जो part होता है. हाँ. तो mainly. Okay. Fine. So, in your life also, whenever you have stress, as now you told that you listen calm music. So, whenever we listen calm music, there is a slow ongoing music going on.
But whenever like you or we are in happy mood, so that time we listen energetic song or peppy songs. So if I'm going to ask you, if somebody is asking you what type of music they have to listen when they are happy, so what will you be suggesting to them now?
Okay, I will be suggesting them to, first of all, it's depend on their taste,
Mm-hmm.
कि what they are like, what their taste and all. But yes, I am suggesting कि first of all, explore your taste,
Okay.
है ना? वो दो like because I am not directly suggesting my taste to them
Mm-hmm.
because I don't know कि what my taste, मतलब what I like or not, and it doesn't matter कि someone else liked it or not. So
Mm-hmm.
mainly, I'm in my happy mood, so I listen very peppy or well, it's like romantic songs that I
Okay.
really like that. So I don't know if someone else is liked or not. Mainly, if I'm saying ki I am listening like I am listening like in my happy mood is Bulia song,
Yeah.
you know. But not sure कि मतलब someone else is like in their happy mood they are singing like Shiv Tandav,
Yes.
which is very energetic to them.
Right.
So I am not advice or suggesting them directly my music taste.
Okay.
But I am also suggesting them to please explore your taste,
Hmm.
listen every genre song, so which is better for you.
Okay. So may I know like who is your favorite singer if I'm going to ask you from the Bollywood?
So actually, there is not a specific one, but I like mixed ones. It's like मतलब I like old songs, मतलब 90s वाले, 70s वाले भी also, but I like
Hmm.
today's songs.
Okay.
But truly, I want to say I like old songs mainly
Hmm.
because this today's टाइम वाले सॉन्ग इज मोस्टली एक तो पुराने वाले उठ करके आ रहे हैं उन्हीं को आप रिफ्रेम कर रहे हो
Right.
एंड एज वाले में थोड़ा सा वो कनेक्शन वाला फील हो नहीं पाता तो आई लाइक मेनली वो 20s वाले एंड ऑफिस 90s वाले जो 2000s वाले तो
Okay.
आई मेनली कनेक्ट विद दैम
Great. So, like nowadays, everybody is dealing with stress, whether they are working professional, they are in public or a private sector. So, what do you think? How they can take help of music so that they can maintain their work-life balance with the help of music now?
Okay. So I guess for professionals or working professionals, I want to suggest them to use music as a therapy.
Okay.
Let it relax your mind and bring balance.
Hmm.
Because the music is a thing which is bring in your mental health. Okay, and music also work as a break for your brain,
Okay.
or always act as a break for your brain. So practicing or listening to music can prevent burnout, improve mental clarity, and even increase work efficiency. So I suggest them to please enjoy as a therapy, है ना?
Hmm.
And please and relax your mind also. Don't take it as like कि ठीक है स्ट्रेस हो रहा है तो दबी सुन रहा है कुछ भी कौन सुन रहा है आप चलते फिरते काम करते करते यू आर जस्ट हमिंग एंड लिसनिंग वन सॉन्ग एंड वन लाइन इट्स
Right. Right.
क्या क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि आप काम कर रहे हैं ईयरपोर्ट लगा लो काम में है
Right.
ना तो
Hmm.
जस्ट लाइक
Okay. So, ma'am, just now you mentioned about music therapy. These days, like professional courses are also available in market in which people can do music therapy and work as a music therapist. So, can you just throw some light on this? What is music therapy and how does it actually work?
okay so actually music therapy works as a uh, from person to person
Okay.
like
Ji.
mainly if I am talking about kids. So when first we diagnose with their needs, what they are needing, मतलब what they are sensely needing. If they need loud music, ठीक है. If they need a calm music, mainly special kids need a loud music, है ना? Like peppy song and uh, brain magazine type के जो songs होते हैं, तो brain magazine जम 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 जो हो रहा
Right,
है.
right, right.
Okay. So we use for that. Some people, if I'm talking about hypnotherapy, if we are
Mhm.
about hypnotherapy or hypnosis, or if we are talking about meditation,
Hmm.
so where we use very calm and slow music, like so we are talking about music therapy.
Hmm.
So first we know कि where we are using this, right? if I'm talking about special fields like ADLT, AST,
Yes.
so mainly we have to know कि what kind of sensory need they have,
Yes.
right? मतलब many cases uh, like that was डीजे वाला जो होता है झम 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 एंड काफी
Mm.
काफी लाउड म्यूजिक एंड वो मिक्स अप, राइट?
Uh,
तो वी हैव टू यूज देयर दैट for calm their mind and calm their senses, right?
mm.
And if we are talking about hypnotherapy and if we are talking about meditation and
Mm.
about art therapy,
Mm.
so in their sessions we have used very calming songs, very calming tunes or bird chirping, natural music, है ना? And mainly water falling therapy और या फिर very calming songs की जो tunings होती हैं, काफी soft songs की.
Right.
So we have to know where we are using this and what kind of need patient have. So that's like how music therapy works.
Okay. So if I'm going to ask you, ma'am, like now, if you are getting chance to learn any instrument, which instrument you will be picking and why?
Okay. So I would pick guitar or ukulele because the first thing is from starting I saw my brother. मतलब he is very good at guitar. ठीक
Hmm.
है. तो I मतलब घर पे है भी गिटार भी ukulele भी and I tried. Honestly I tried, but वो ना ऑनलाइन सीखा नहीं गया.
जी जी
So
जी.
I love to do that कि ठीक है अच्छा लगता है प्यारा लगता है and easy to carry and easy to hold.
हाँ.
So I love to do that. I
Okay.
really want to learn guitar or ukulele anyway.
Great. So, like, as you are a working professional, like you shared that you also want to learn guitar. In the same way, there are other working professional also who have who are working, but they are not getting actually time to involve themselves so that they
Mm.
can pursue their, I can say, childhood skill or dream instrument or whatever. So, what suggestions you want to give to those people who are busy in their life but still want to learn instrument or vocals?
The simple so answer is this question जो who said कि I don't have time and इतना time नहीं है इतना busy है. The thing is कि ठीक है you are busy in your work but you have to learn work life balance
Yes.
because in our life there is only two aspects, your personal life and your work life.
Right.
So i- if you are making your work life is your priority, your center of attraction or या फिर only your personal life,
Right.
not balancing your work life or personal life, so everything is messed up.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है, you are never in satisfaction, so you have to make time for your dreams, you have to make time for yourself and you
Mm-hmm.
have to absolutely learn for your work life balance. तो यहाँ पर कोई भी एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं आ सकते हैं कि ठीक है टाइम नहीं है क्या नहीं, वो आप ये जो स्ट्रेटजीज हैं और ये जो स्किल्स हैं ये आपको सीखनी ही पड़ेंगी at least.
Okay. Great. So, thanks a lot, ma'am, for being here and sharing your insights on these three topics. Once again, thank you for accepting my invitation and for giving your time here. The like what information you shared, it's valuable for me as well as the people who are going to watch via social media platform. That is also helpful for them. So once again, thank you for joining here, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Arish. Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
For more details, visit www.88studiolko.com.